Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy JTH. I was able to get my hands on a GoPro Hero 10. Got it yesterday. I really haven't got a chance to really mess with it a lot. But today I just want to do a quick unboxing and show you guys how to connect it to your phone. So this is how it looks on the outside. The side, the back, and the other side. So let's just get it open quick. Try my best not to make this video long. So this is the case that it comes with. That's how it looks. Say GoPro right here. Pretty sturdy. And this is the quick this is the guide that you're gonna need to help you, put everything together. Manual. Alright, so USB cable, Type C. Come with one battery. The GoPro itself. This is how it looks. Power button here. Function key up here. Lens. The front display and the back display. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install the battery. You have to pull this latch right here off. Be careful with this side, guys. This was where the mic is, which is under here. Don't pull this out. It's under the power button. Be careful with this here. So you pull up, push back. On the inside is how it looks. Let's install the battery. So the battery going like this if you hold it from this side. Okay, so SD cards that I recommend, right? I have a 256 SanDisk. If I was you guys, I'd rather use the SanDisk card. 256 and SanDisk card here, which is the Ultra, and I have the SanDisk Extreme Ultra, which is 128 gigs, and it's 256. So I'm going to install the 128. So it kind of snaps in just like that. To remove the battery, has this latch thing here on the battery. Just pull it out. As you can see, it's the USB cable, Type C, I mean. So let's say you need to charge it, so you connect it here. You guys see it don't come with a power brick. So I have my portable charger with me here. Made a video on this charger here. You guys should go into my channel and find this video. So it's a very good one here, guys. It's wireless charging too. So you see a red dot here, the indicator meaning that it's charging, and the one in the back. All right, let's set it up. Install. Okay. Let's put these off. I have a GoPro. Pair my GoPro. I want you to pair it. Connect camera, allow. Searching Hero Black. I want you to swipe down. A quick setup. Okay, now that's what it says. Install the GoPro Quick app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app's application. All right, let's go. Searching for a camera. We found your GoPro. Let's get started and connect your GoPro to your phone. Click connect. So you guys see it. Repair. All right, you can name your GoPro, which I have done already. I'll put J GoPro. Leave it at J GoPro, so that's what I'm gonna do. Connect it to device, connect to device Wi-Fi. Your Hero Black is ready. Now you can use the app to control your GoPro and give you media. Let's go. Upload your footage to cloud while charging. Your GoPro subscription allow you to send all of your footage directly from your GoPro to cloud. I'm not going to try that right now. Control your GoPro from your phone. Change mods and settings, preview your shots and more. Let's go. So now I'm connected, as you guys can see, right? So it's upside down. Okay. That's upside down on my phone. But anyway, so this how it looks. Let's go to some settings. This camera. Take a quick shot. Go to videos. Let's preview the video. So far, look pretty good. I haven't got this far yet, so I should be driving earlier today. There we go. We're back in action, guys. Back in action. So this is nice 5K now. So this is how it look. The quality look pretty good too. I think GoPro did a good job with this one. Anyway, so it's doing the same thing. I keep touching the back. So this is how it is. This is how you set it up on your phone. And like, I got mine from Best Buy, so Best Buy was able to mail me a free gift. Got it today. That was used. I don't know. It's weird. Okay, anyway, so what's in it? It look like a chest strap or a helmet strap, one of these things. Platinum float, I think it's a floaty. So I'm gonna use this as a one of miniature tripods. Give me a bag. Yeah, this is a head strap. Floating handle and a soft carrying pouch. 1-year warranty. Sometimes these warranties don't really mean nothing. Nobody really keep up with those warranties. Smells really good. Damn, it's a pretty big pouch. I'm not sure how long they doing this promotion for, but I was able to get me a free bag, a floaty, and a head strap. Cool. Let's see how this connected to it. That's how it looks. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Catch y'all on the next video. Good night, guys. Good night.